Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Kia Cerato S hatch, stock reference number 3858. This shape runs from the 4th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a G4NA, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NA, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Manual fold type. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a flat tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Manual fold type. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. It's an automatic type console. Heater controls. Automatic gear shifter. Factory 8-inch touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, extension type, right sun visor, also extension type, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel in black with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.